This is a brief video for the purposes of establishing video resolution and audio fidelity. I'll be describing how to set up a Magento 2 development environment using a one-line curl script that can be found in Mark Schust's GitHub repository, and I'll jump right in. The first step to take is to navigate to this repository. The one-line script can be found under the setup section, copied and pasted into the document root in your local file system where the website is going to be stored. So we'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the script is pulled via curl and extracted to the document root that's the current working directory in your terminal window. As you can see here, a password is required. Now this is required because it's necessary for the script to change your Etsy hosts file and add a entry so that the development URL, which should be magento2.test, it resolves to localhost or 127.0.0.1. So I'm going to go ahead and provide the password here, and with that, the script will go ahead and, as you can see, write to the Etsy hosts file an entry that will resolve then to 127.0.0.1. The next step is to stop any existing Docker containers related to this development instance, start them, and then begin copying files from the local host to that Docker container. We've skipped ahead a little bit, and what you'll see here now is that the script has completed the installation of the Docker containers. It's completed carrying the files over and has started those containers so that locally we have a working development instance of Magento 2. And with this, you can use an integrated development editor to make modifications to both the theme and functionality of the site. So that'll end this particular demo video, which again was simply to establish the audio and video parameters, and will be fleshed out more completely subsequently.